years old.
A million years ago.
No, because a lot of people do not know what you are doing. They assume that you're doing nothing. So because I was not standing myself around and always in people's faces, as far as they were concerned, I was somewhere dawdling and idling away my time.
Don't mind them.
I was preparing myself for public life.
That's right.
Not to be Prime Minister, but for public life, whatever role I was called upon to perform. Now, I therefore took careful note of whatever was happening in Barbados and in this region. From my earliest years, I entered Boys Foundation School at age 9 on the 13th day of September 1960.
Oh, Lord.
Look, I know when the 1961 election was called. I know when the 1966 election was called. But let's leave out the 1961 one for the time being. That was called by Dr. Cummins of the Barbados Labour Party. The 1966 election was called by Errol Barrow. The 1971 election was called by Errol Barrow. And the 1976 election was also called by Errol Barrow. And all of them were called by notices coming through the Government Information Service. Tom Adams called the 1981 election through a notice coming through the Government Information Service. Bernard St. John called the 1986 election through a notice coming through the Government Information Service.
All right.
Erskine Sandiford called the 1991 election through a notice coming through the Government Information Service. Erskine Sandiford called the 1994 election through a notice coming through the Government Information Service. And they were behaving yesterday as though this is the first time this thing had ever happened.
Crazy.
Let me tell you this. I don't. Arthur has done it too. But
in 1999.
Arthur is no role model for me in politics.
No!
So I really don't care what he does or how he does it.
No.
I follow the best examples available to me.
That's right.
And that is how it was done yesterday, and that was the proper way for it to be done.
I agree. We agree to that. What more than one?
But in any event, even if it had not been done that way, there is going to be an election.
Bet you there.
Which is going to be fought between now and the night, well, the 21st, the actual day, because we have to make sure we get our people to the polls.
That's right.
And on the night of the 21st of February, we expect confidently the resounding mandate of the people of Barbados for the Democratic Labour Party. So, over the next few nights, you'll be hearing from us.
Yes.
There will be, as I'm hearing here, there will be heat in the place.
Fire it up. Fire up.
No quarter will be asked,
None given.
and no quarter will be given. We have a record of which we can be proud. We have performed, and that's why we are here tonight to account for our stewardship. We will produce a manifesto that will tell you what it is we envision for the future of Barbados. A manifesto is a declaration of intent.
That's right.
A manifesto is nothing more than that.
That's right.
It is a declaration of intent.
Yes.
It tells you what a political party envisions for the country to which that manifesto relates. You'll be hearing from us on that, and we'll be going into every nook and cranny of this island, preaching the gospel according to the Democratic Labour Party.
Charlie, just look at me. Here, go.
So,
I cry.
it has been good to see you here tonight.